Good morning. I stayed up last night journaling about 2025 for this full moon, the super moon yesterday. So I woke up late, but I've been staying up late and being really creative, so it works. I'm gonna go get up and go to our favorite little breakfast place over here in San Diego. It's called not San Diego, but Poway. I can't remember what it's called. It starts with a C. Anyways, I'll show you when I get there. And I'm gonna go check out my motorcycle in Pacific Beach. And it's actually sunny today. It's been cloudy for days, so I'm gonna enjoy some sunshine. First morning, I'm waking up with my plantita over here. It's feather weather. Oh my gosh, look at this plant. I'm just never gonna get over how cute it is. Alright. Can we just all appreciate how cute these candles are? And I charged all my crystals and my rings and everything to make me a powerful biatch when I wear them. Just got this crystal from a woman named Sarah from a metaphysical store out here, and she's fucking amazing. We got to charge those in the moonlight. It was raining, so I had to put them right there. And lit all the candles and journaled about everything that happened in 2025 and so much goodness. Oh my gosh, look at my new mirror. Still got some tea from this cute little teapot left over.
Good morning. It is January 4th, around 9 a.m. Up here at work today, taking down these Christmas decorations. But yeah, I've got work today, and then we're gonna go to this house to the Mission Beach, and it's gonna be good. Today's gonna be a good day. I ride my motorcycle down there. Alandra's already getting down there, and yeah, I think today's gonna be a dope day. So, see you on the other side.
And I align with it, and the universe allows.
Good morning, sunshines. Good morning, sunshines. Good morning, sunshines. I don't know, I was just driving and I was thinking, I was also listening to Abraham Hicks. Love Abraham Hicks, but one thing that I noticed about my mornings and like the difference of how they go, it's like I like to almost just wake up in the morning and like just put the car in park or put the car in drive and go do whatever, but like from a place of like non-thought, like almost like as if I was waking up in high school and I was waking up to a day where I woke up in California and I'm like, like what am I gonna do today? Literally I could do fucking anything I wanted because I have absolutely no responsibilities. That's how I like to look at my life nowadays. Like how can I just, oh shit, how can I just live today? Where, like, how can I wake up in the morning and instead of automatically just getting to all of the shit that I gotta get done, all the stuff I gotta do, like the list of to-dos, which I started doing for like a fucking year and I became miserable. This is the season, everybody, of creation, but not from a place of like, I have to do these things. It's like, I get to create my January, I get to create my February, my March, my April, my May, my June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And what was so cool is I got to write down everything that had happened. That's the first time I've ever done that, because a lot of the time people will ask me, oh really, like what time did you go get this, when did you go get this, when did you get your van? I couldn't even tell you. I can't tell you month by month what I've ever done. Backing this bitch up is the whole thing. But I had to go through my photos and actually see what I did those, like, each month, because I couldn't tell you by memory. But anyways, it just was so nice to, like, really just ring in the new year with, like, recognition and honoring this last year. I'm so good at parking this thing. This is my favorite coffee shop. I'm gonna go get me some. This is Ashua, a fellow Vanlifer.
Little Vanlifer.
I said a fellow.
Oh, fellow Vanlifer.
He likes my new plant, even though he's seen my plant, but he likes the way I hung it.
Just a letter at a time. Let's look into a meditation with the help of a bad friend. Wish I could get there on my own, but I get stuck before the wedding. I believe it may be possible. I want it to if I were born so. Just me and all of my
What are those called?
Kertal?
Ketan?
Kertal.
Ketan? We're going to the pizza shop. That's our that's Ashua. But we're going to the pizza shop.
Get the tech on.
Oh my.
I normally eat much healthier, but check it out. Detroit style pizza in California.
Can I borrow your crush wrap?
No! What a gangster, dude. We're wrapped up. Alright. Alright, y'all. I'll catch you at Mission Beach. See you!
Everything I build,
Check out
I
my
build
new
for the Alpha Femme
sweater.
experience. The idea, and some women come into the Alpha Femme experience, some people come into the Alpha Femme experience wanting to work.
All right, we're gonna go
on
pick up
themselves.
Royce.
And they are excited for the femme fatale.
Let's go! I got all my friends out here. Here's the ocean. Check it out. Beautiful. I heard it's a good surf. So we'll probably go surf tomorrow. Royce and I are gonna go do that house sit. We've probably said that 45 million times in this video, but really cool shit that we get to do. We're gonna go drop off his motorcycle at the spot that we're house sitting, and then we're gonna drive to go get my motorcycle down the street, just like 5 minutes, and take my motorcycle and drop it off at that spot too. I'm gonna detail it, take care of it, make sure it looks really good, and then I'm gonna and then we're at 5:30. We're gonna get ready too. Yeah. Damn, what the fuck? There's so much weird stuff happening in OB. Like, look at this bumper. It's like an extra. That bumper doesn't even fit that car. But anyways, it was really nice to go into OB, kick it with everybody, see all my cool like Vanlife friends. Ashua is my dog, fucking love that guy, so it's always so nice to see him and and chit chat about all things growth. We just recently served him combo, so he's getting the drip down of all of that goodness.
What up, go?
Do it.
Go pick up your bike.
Suit up, Bubba. Yeah! We gotta beat it before it rains. Damn, son, we got dunked on, dude. Mission accomplished.
Come on, let's go.
Alright, we're going to the grocery store.
I fucking know.
Watch your back.
I feel the full moon energy. I think I might be a little crazy. We go surf tomorrow, bro.
You know, surf tomorrow, bub.
I'm such a good videographer. Royce. Royce, are you over there? Hey, Royce. Royce.
Yo.
Look at this dog right now.
Yeah, I see it.
That's so funny.
Such a cutie.
I know.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
You good? smelled the op. That's what it is. Like that. Hey.
Check out the room.
All the vibes are vibing right now. We just landed at our house sit. I will be here for the week. Check out these little skins.
Look at them really calm right now. He's really so happy.
So we just had some dinner. We're gonna start editing these videos. Some hot bay. Take the dogs out. And then close the night with the movies. So we'll catch you tomorrow. Or whatever the next vlog is. You're gonna stay on this ride, right?
Huh?
You're gonna get on this ride. Vlog ride, day 1 of 365. Or however many, till infinity and beyond. We gotta figure out an outro. Should we just close with like a handshake? Salagria. Alright, peace.
Solid area.